previous class we have completed our introduction about ratio and applications. Yes, today we are going to write our exercise 1. At the same time, we are going to write the key concepts. Okay, and everyone open your textbooks, even your classworks, keep in your front of you and be ready for the given sums. And you have to write each and everything what I am going to write on the board. You have to copy in your classwork. Understood? Now start writing. Now keep the heading ratio and applications. For that, ratio and applications. Ratio and application. For this, we are going to start with the key concepts. Okay? The key concepts. Okay? Now already we have learned what is ratio. We have already learned what is a ratio. Where the two quantities like A and B, PQ, P and Q, whatever it may be, whatever variable it may be. Yes, whatever quantities it may be. If you are going to be compared with the other quantities also, no problem. But how we are going to apply a ratio for that, and how we are going to read for that, and how we are going to give a symbol to your ratio. Yes, that we are going to write it briefly on the board, and you have to copy in your classwork. Okay? Ratio. Yes, a ratio is ordered. A ratio is ordered comparison of quantities. Comparison of quantities of the same unit. Of the same unit. So we are going to compare the quantities, the two quantities with the same unit. How the two quantities, whatever the quantities I am going to take, let it be A and B. A and B are two quantities. What does A is called first quantity and B is called, how they are going to be applied, what is the symbol it is going to be used, I am going to write it. Yes, we use symbol. What is the symbol we are going to use? This is the symbol we are going to use. And how we are going to be call that? Is, as, is to. This is to. This is to. For the ratio of two quantities. The ratio of two quantities A and B. The ratio of two quantities A and B. Here A is one quantity and B is another quantity. Yes, is A is to B. It is applied in the ratio. A is to B by using this symbol. And we read it as, and we read it as, A is to B. A is to B. We read it as A is to B. Then the two quantities A and B. The two quantities A and B are called. The two quantities A and B are called the terms of the ratio. The terms of the ratio. Yes. Here, the first quantity A is called or is known as incident. quantity. The second quantity. The second quantity. The second quantity. B is called consequent. Consequent. Yes, understood? Here we have learned already the ratio. What is the ratio? We'll compare with the two quantities, ratios of the same unit. How it is going to be applied? What is the symbol? We are going to use the symbol. This is the symbol of ratio. And how it is called? Is as. Is to. Is to is we are going to call for this symbol. That is ratio symbol. And here we are going to compare the quantities, no? That is A and B. We are going to take A and B. For this, we are calling A is first quantity and B is second quantity. First A quantity is called, first quantity is called antecedent and B is called consequent. Yes, understood? This is the main important that will be applied in the coming exercise 1. So everyone remember what is called. It is very important in the objective type. Okay, now what is the ratio? It is called. How the symbol it is used? What is the quantities are called? Everything will be asked in the objective type questions. Nana. So be careful by your writing. Okay. Now everyone completed. Now let us move for the proportion. Okay. Proportion. Proportion. If two bodies, if two ratios are equal, if two ratios are equal, then the four terms of the ratios, the four terms of the ratio are said to be an proportion. Are said to be a proportion. We use the symbol. What is the symbol we use for the proportion? This is the symbol we are going to use. Everyone keep a box because it is a main thing. That's why I am going to keep a box for each and everything. Okay? Understood? Now, if two ratios are equal, the four terms of the ratios are said to be in proportion. We use the symbol. What is the symbol we are going to use? That is the symbol. What the symbol we are going to call, I am going to write now. Okay? Yes, we use the symbol. We call it, we read as is as. We call is as. And if two ratios A is to B and B is to C is to D. Yes, are equal. We write as. How we are going to write in the proportion when we are going to use the four terms? What are the four terms? What are the four terms? Four terms are nothing but quantities. What are the quantities we are going to take? First one, second one, and third one, Okay. For this, we are going to apply in the proportion. How we are going to apply in the proportion? A is to B and B is as C is to D. This is the formula of proportion. This is the formula of proportion. And in ratio, we have red. A is first quantity, B is second quantity, and what is the A is called and the B is called we have learned in the ratio. Now in proportion, what is the A is to B term is called and B is to C is called. These are the first and second quantities only, but what these are? How we are going to do the sums by based on proportions? How? What is the formula we are going to use? Here A to C, A to D and B to C. A to D and B to C. Where A and D are and B and C are, what are they? A and D are extremes and B and E are means. Yes? B and C are means. Understood? Now, understood about the proportion? Now let us do unitary method. Unitary method. Unitary means 1 unit. Yes? Where we are using unit 1. Here, based on this, we are going to do the problems also to understand what is the unitary method and also how it is going to be applied. Okay? How we are going to find the unit value. 1 unit value. Yes? Write on everyone definition. The method in which we first find the value of one unit. Find the value of 1 unit and then the value of the required units. Required units is known as unitary method. Understood? Here, the method in which we first find the value of 1 unit and the value of required units is known as unitary method. Yes, what is unitary method? First, see for example, there is a duster. The duster. See, I purchased 12 dusters. Yes, the 12 dusters cost is 94. You think? Just you imagine. Yes, and the 12 dusters of a cost of 12 dusters will be 94. I told 94. Then to know the unitary, that is 1 duster. To know the value of 1 duster, we are going to use the unitary method. First, we are going to find the first duster. Yes. After that, we are going to calculate the 12 dusters. Yes. Remaining other, how much the cost. Yes. So that is a unitary method. Yes. I am going to do one of the example. See now. Example. If the cost of 5 pence is 85, Then the cost of 12 pence. How much? See, to know the cost of 12 pence, we have to know the unitary. First, what is the cost of 1 pen? Yes, that is a unitary method. Yes, the cost given. What is the given? Cost of 5 pence equals to how much? 85 rupees. Okay. Now, cost of 1 pen equals to 85 by 5. Yes. 5 ones are. More how many left in 8? 3. So, 5 sevens are 35. What is the cost of 1 pen? 7. Then, cost of, what is the value they have set to 5? Cost of 12 pence equals to 12 into 17. We'll get the value of 12 pence. Okay? 12, 17. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 8. Plus 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 4 8. Yes. How much? The cost of 12 pence. How much? 204. The cost of 12 pence equals to 204. Okay? Now, we'll be doing direct proportion. Okay? Direct proportion. Now everyone keep the heading direct proportion. Yes. Now let us write give the proportion. That is direct proportion. Write fast. Direct proportion. If in two quantities, when one quantity increases, the other also increases. The other also increases. How? See, example. The number of books, the number of books and their cost are in direct proportion. Direct proportion. How they are direct proportion? Your books and their cost. Nana, if as the number of books increases. See, if you are going on purchasing the books increases, no? If you purchase only the unitary method, if you purchase the only unitary book, yes, if you purchase only a unitary book, the cost also will be only the unit. So if you are going on increasing the cost of, the books, means purchasing of books will be more. Then the cost of books also will be increases or not? The same, it is the direct proportion. Yes? As the number of books increases, the cost also increases. Yes? Understood everyone? Right on. complete that. How many types of ratios, how it is going to be applied. Yes, and we know that ratio also appears in percentage also. In percentages also the ratio will be applied. The word percent means the word percent means 100. 100. Yes, or 100. The symbol, what is the symbol is used? The symbol percentage. This is the symbol is used for percent. Understood? Now, to convert a quantity units to equivalent percentage, we are going to express how it is going to be converted into percentage. If the given sum, if they say to convert into percentage, we are going to express it first into fractions. Afterwards, it should be multiplied with the 100, and at last we are going to find the percentage. Okay? Sign symbol. To convert a quantity into its equivalent percentage. Equivalent percentage expresses it. First we have to express in fractions. After that we have to express into multiply with the 100. Multiply with 100. Yes. Again we have to give with the, and we have to assign a sign. Assign a percentage sign. Okay? Understood? Now, for example, so let's say for the example for this. Yes, how a man purchased an article for rupees 80 and sells it for 200. For what is the gain percent? How we are going to use that? Yes. Is going to be, if the selling price is greater, cost price is greater than selling price, then induce loss. If cost price is less than SP, there is gain. If cost price is equals to selling price, neither loss or gain. Okay. Now, gain means selling price minus cost price. Loss means cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Okay. Based on this, one of the problem we do. Okay. And also, you write the general discount amount percentage. How we are using? I is equals to R percent of P. R into P by 100 for T. 1 plus RT by 100. This is the formula we are going to use that for the amount. Okay? Now, for the selling price, cost price, we are going to do one of the problem. Everyone copy. Example: a man purchased an article for rupees 80 and sells it for rupees 100. Find its gain percent. Okay? Now here the cost of an article how much? 80. Cost. That is cost price equals to 80. Then what is the sold and sells is for rupees 100. Sells. That is selling price. How much? 100. Yes? 100. Okay? Now how we are going to do this? Yeah. And here they said to find the gain percent. Here they said to find the gain percent. Find its gain percent. Gain percent. Know the selling price minus cost price. Yes. First, before going, we have to. What we have to do? Fraction. No? Gain of fraction. 800 by gain of fraction. Yes, before going to find the gain of fraction, gain percentage, how much? Selling price minus cost price. 100 rupees minus 80 rupees. How much? 20 rupees. Okay? Now, gain fraction we are going to apply. After that, we are going to increase that. Okay? After that, we are going to 20 by 80. How much? 1 by 4. Yes. Now, how we are going to apply the percentage? Gain as percent. Yes, gain as percent. How? 20 by 80 into 100. Percentage means we have to multiply with 100. Okay. Now, how much? 1 by 4. Yes. This will be cancelled. Then, like this also, we can apply. 2 5s are 2 4s are. Yes. 100 by 4. You can write like this also. Yes. 100 by 4. That is equals to how much? 25 times. Okay. 25%. Like this here. How cost they have given, selling price they have given to what we are going to apply, we have to find the gain percent. In the same way, here we are going to find the gain. We have to increase the gain, no? So that's why selling price minus cost price. We have to apply the selling price and cost price. Okay. For this, 100 minus 80 is 20. Then gain fraction. Here you can do the direct cancellation and you can apply here. Or to know next step where we are going to multiply with the 100, I am going to take the other. If not, you don't want not right. Okay. You can get directly also, or you can take the cancellation here also. Okay. 20 by 80 into multiplied with the 100 or not. Next step. Yes. And do the cancellation. 25 is 100. 4 is how much? We got 25%. Okay. Understood how we are going to apply? Yes. Understood everyone? How we are going to apply the sums on the given problems? These are the key concepts and these are the introduction. How we are going to apply the selling price and when we are going to apply the percentage, how the amount is calculated, everything I have explained clearly with the given example. So, fact that in next class we are going to do the exercise sums. Okay. Thank you children.